Welcome back to another video of Makwala Agri. I'm back in my chicken house. It has been a minute. It's been a minute since I've been here. But in today's video, I just want to be showing you some of the things that have been happening at Makwala Agri. You remember when I said that trying something that I never tried before is because of I got screwed by my suppliers and stuff. So this is the situation that we have currently. We are trying to raise 300 chickens from different companies. Over here we have National Chicks. So these ones are about to turn 2 weeks next week Tuesday. So today's Thursday. So they are like 1 week and 3 days, and they're looking amazing, man. They're like the growth. It's amazing. So I love the growth of National Chicks. I've been a fan of National Chicks since I started. So my first production, it was actually from National Chicks. And over here, I'm so surprised about Lufafa. The growth is wow. This time they gave us wow, nice chicks. So I hope you guys can see, or maybe I should just turn on the light. So yeah, I hope now you can see them properly. So these ones, they're turning 2 weeks, and the growth is amazing. So they were initially 100. I think we lost like 2 out of them. Yeah. So wow, look at this, guys. This time, Lufafa did the most. Lufafa did the most. Like, I'm so speechless about the growth of these chickens, but they're amazing. So what I'm here to do actually is to refill feed if they're out of feed, and we also refill water. This is a daily or a morning routine that I normally have. So, but with this cycle, I've been busy, guys. So I'm busy with some personal stuff, family matters that I'm dealing with. So I haven't gotten time to actually come to my chicken house often. So the other day I was here, and then I stepped on one of my chicks. So I actually I lost the chick because I stepped over it by mistake. But it's amazing. The growth is amazing, man. I love this growth, man. So this is gonna be our Easter market, man. I think they wanna be ready around the Easter time. So far, what I'm here to do actually is morning routine. Check if there's any mortality. So far I see 0 mortality on the national side. 0 mortality. Are we still on? Are we still okay? Scalo Majita. They say in prison, when the prisoner walk in, he comes and asks, Scalo Majita. So in here I don't see any Scalo. Seems like everyone is good. Everyone is doing amazing. Yeah, so no Scalo. Nothing. Let's go to Lufafa side. Scalo Majita. Fuck all. So that's what they say, that in South African prison, when they walk in, the warden will just ask if there's anyone who has a problem. So yeah, I'm here to check on my chicken if there's anyone who has a problem. If there's no one who has a problem, we're just gonna proceed with our morning routine. So let's go and get some water, refill our drinkers, and then with feed, seems like we still have feed. So one of the reasons why I had to put on this caps here is for them to prevent my chicken to jump on top of my feeders. So you put these caps. They're from the best company, chief, that produce the best good quality equipment for our poultry. It's called Poultry. So check Poultry on the website. They have amazing stuff that you can buy from them, and they also deliver nationwide using a courier. With the prices, you'll ask them, guys. So yeah, let's actually do the work of the day. So now you're raising your chicken, they are growing nicely and amazing, and you don't know what to do. This is what I'm going to show you today. What do you normally do when you come to a chicken house? This is Makwala Agri. Alright, so what we have done here is to take out our drinkers out. So the small drinkers are for the small chicks, and that big jumbo drinker over there, it's for the bigger chicks. So what we're going to be doing now is to take the water that is being left inside this drinkers. You're just gonna split it outside, and then we put new fresh water. So I just want to show you why it's important to lift up your feeders as the chicken grows. So look at this. So it seems like our chicken are now able to step inside the drinkers, and they make it really dirty. Some they even poop inside our drinkers. So to prevent this kind of stuff, today we're going to be lifting this drinker. So it's a sign that our chicken have grown, and then now they're messing up with the water. So what we're going to be doing, we're going to be actually putting the legs. Remember that Poultry has created legs for us. We're no longer using those face bricks to lift up our drinkers and feeders. So we're going to be putting those legs. We're going to be lifting this feeder because it's really dirty. So yeah, let's go. So we are back from refilling our big jumbo. So I came back with a bucket of water. Now we're gonna be refilling our actually small drinkers for the small chicks. So with the big jumbo, we also have some legs that we're gonna be putting. So it's a base one leg. So our legs, the drinker has two legs. So it's a base one and base two. So now we're gonna be putting base one. Oh, we are done. We are done. Basically, that's what we were here to do. Taking care of the chickens. Chickens will take care of us. Done giving them fresh new water. Done. So yeah, they still have some feed. I think we're gonna refill the feeders tomorrow. They are still eating starter, all of them, as their feed. And we are no longer providing heat for them because in Limpopo it's hot, guys. So the temperature has been amazing in the past few days. So we don't need to put them anymore due to heat wave that we are having in Limpopo. Dango!